How to create your own Snapchat lens. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So start by opening any of your preferred browsers since it is not possible in your Snapchat app. So if you open your browser, I choose Google Chrome for that. On the top search bar, what you can do is snapchat.create.com. After you tap that, interface like this will be shown. So if you try to search here for filter ad, then many options will be available in your screen. Adding a filter is not free for Snapchat, so you must pay for it, but it might not be available in your region as well. Like it says, can't find what you're looking for. But if it is available in your region, then it would be available. So it says me set of filters, your product sets, add filter group, and many other options, but you need to pay for this. Any of the filter that you want to add on Snapchat. So after doing that, you can simply add any filters on Snapchat, but you need to pay for it, and it might also not be available in your region, and that might be the reason that you cannot add. So that's it. That's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.